Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your Pinterest login option. For you to do that, just tap and open your Pinterest app, then tap at the profile icon. Once you do that, then you come up here and tap at the name drop button at the left top corner of the screen up here. Once you do that, you scroll the way down and tap at security. Once you tap on security, another page is going to pop up. Then you can tap on this option, login option. Then from here you can set your login option to be Facebook, Google, or Apple. So once you tap at any one of them, then from here you can just tap on continue. Then you input your passcode, your Apple passcode. Then you can now log in your Pinterest using your Apple log or iCloud from your Apple. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.